My great grandmother, she also got very old. She had an illustrated Bible from the 19th century. And as a child, little boy, I was sitting always together with her, and we were watching together these drawings from 19th century, and of course divided into two parts, the so-called Old Testament, the so-called New Testament. And I remember me and my great-grandma, Samson and Delilah and Daniel with the lions and all the stories, the prophets, Elijah, Elia, and reading together. And when they came the New Testament, somehow boring, and we started in the beginning with God creating the world, and so there was a strong connection to also to this way of believing, to this way of theology. Very strong connected to the so-called Old Testament.